You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Renata and today, rails in the back, so that means this is another Fridaysews video. If you guys are interested regarding what I have sewn this week, a little bit of live, and what I have planned for next week, please meet me in the next section. Hi friends, thank you guys so much for joining me. I have been trying really hard to get this video completed and out the door, but it has been a crazy week. So last week, while I was chatting, I told you guys that I am going to relax that Friday. I'm going to play some video games, and then on Saturday and Sunday I'm going to get sewing done. I have Monday off. I'm going to enjoy my time and get a lot of stuff done. And guess what? Midday Saturday or 1ish, I came down with a migraine, and it did not leave me until Monday afternoon, and then I've been groggy for Tuesday and Wednesday, so I really didn't get to do any sewing until yesterday. So that just kind of really got me upset. I had so much plans. Oh, it was just so frustrating. You know how things are when you have your plan set, your days, and you're ready to get things done, and then something comes and slaps you in the face and you hit a brick wall. It's really frustrating because that kind of snowballs and push back a lot of other things that you had set in motion for the month to complete. So that said, my sewing plans are a little bit disrupted. I just don't know by how much, so we'll talk a little bit sewing in a few seconds. That's part of the life, so that's really what has been going on. I went through migraines for those few days, and luckily, which is so ironic because I went to the doctor for a physical, and then she submitted my prescription for my migraine medicine, and it was so annoying. Right as I got my migraine medicine, I got a migraine. Like, maybe don't get any medicine and everything will be fine. I don't know. That was annoying. And I'm just bummed out about that. So I did push myself like on Monday afternoon to actually start walking. I went for a walk. I needed to get some steps in because for the company that I work with, we get benefits for working out and trying to keep ourselves healthy. So I needed to make steps for the day, and I just kind of pushed myself. I went out for a walk. I enjoyed the weather, but it was kind of cold too here in Texas. The days has not been like super warm, so I don't know if that had anything to do with my migraine. It's just going crazy because sometimes I would feel like a weather girl. If the weather is all ishy, my head hurts. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I'm feeling better now, so I'm really happy about that. And juicing is back on schedule. I juiced everything for the next 5 days, so I have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then I can do whatever I want. If I want to include a meal, then I can. So I look forward to doing that. And obviously I'm feeling great, so I'm gonna start back running again. And I plan to run, dare I say it, twice a day, once in the morning and in the afternoon, and probably on my lunch break do bar for like 20 minutes, because bar isn't too hard and it doesn't take a lot of time to feel like you're really getting a workout. And luckily I work from home, so that is my plan for next week on the life. Isaac is still practicing his driving. Sophia is a good 12-year-old. I love it. I don't have much stress with her. And Isabella has been working. She recently, actually today, she had a hair appointment. She's such an adult now. She set it up her hair appointment and she paid for it, so she's like, oh my gosh, I'm an adult now. So that's really fun for her. The color of her hair is purple. Yeah, it's not bad. it's just I like natural colors of hair that, you know, a human would have or would be born with. So that's my take on all the different colors. But it looks really good, and I think her hair is so much more full and of life. I don't know what color she'll go with yet. She's already done pink, and she did a sort of burgundy color. Now she's in purple. I'm thinking the next color she'll go with is blue. I hope she doesn't go with green, but I look forward to seeing some sort of midnight blue. I think she'll look really cool with that color. And that's about it. That's pretty much the life. Okay, so now let's talk about sewing. So as you guys know, I didn't get much sewing done. So it's really stressful because this is January, the month where you want things to get going, and then I hit a roadblock. So I was really bummed, but I pushed myself yesterday and I completed, and I'm going to do a video review. Hopefully the weather is nice here tomorrow. I'm going to do a review on this More Than a Jumper from a Fema pattern. I like this. It's so cute. It's such a really, really nice sweater. It's very relaxed. It's very comfortable. Right now this fabric is showing kind of like a tomato red, and that's pretty much it. But I love this fabric. There you go. I hope you guys can see it, and it's really showing up nicely with the texture. But one thing I really like about this sweater is there's a really nice curved hemline, and the sleeve has a really pretty sort of balloon shape to it. I posted a few pictures on Instagram today, and I cannot wait to wear this. It's more of a relaxed feel. As you guys know, I love fitted tops. I like fitted pieces, but this is relaxed, and I'm trying to get into that more baggy style, relaxed feel that's going on right now with the trends. And this was a fun project because it did not take a long time to put together. I'm going to do a complete review of a Fema pattern company because this was gifted to me, the pattern, and I'm going to just share my thoughts and my feeling regarding the company and how I felt working on this project. So I'm really glad to report that I have one project completed, although I was dying on the inside. And then a few minutes ago, so let's say like 15-20 minutes ago, I completed another project. Yes, headache or not, somehow I'm getting things done and I like it. So this one, I misspoke in my previous Fridaysews when I said that this project was the Billy by Tillian the button. That was incorrect. I had all intentions to create this project by using that Billy pattern. However, I did not have enough fabric to get the top that I wanted and include that sleeve. And then I don't know, I didn't want to make a Billy right now with this fabric. I wanted to do something really different. So I had all intentions to get that done. I had it on the table, I had the pattern set, and I think that's why I thought I'd cut it out. But while I was putting the pattern pieces together, I'm like, this does not look like the Billy. And then it dawned on me like, oh yeah, you didn't cut that out. This is from the BurdaStyle October 2021 issue. Actually, it's the same pattern that I'm wearing right now. I'll leave a photo of this top here so you guys will see it. I don't know if I'll do a full review of this. This is a maneuver make, so I will post a blog on their website. But since I reviewed this pattern fully on my channel, I will leave that there, and I'll try my best to do a roundup at the end of January so you guys will see how this actually looks on. So I did a contrast and I think it's looking really good. I really wish that I had done something with the neck so that the black would have a nice balance, but so far I think it's looking really good, and this sleeve detail is just like awesome. So yeah, really excited. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear this with a blue jeans or my white jeans, but I wish I had like a leather skirt to wear with this, because I think that would really bring out the blouse and the detail on the sleeves. So yeah, 2 projects and a major headache. So I know I'm beating that headache with, you know, really hard, but it was just a really rough time and it's so frustrating. And when you feel good and you get some things done, you just can't help but talk. So I'm gonna shut up now about the headache and kind of think about next week. So I did the 2 joggers. So I did the Hudson, which was on my Make 9, and I don't think I really hit anything on my January sewing plans, except, yeah, I don't think I've made anything on my January sewing plans. Basically, this was UFO because I knew I had to make it, so it was just an unfinished business project. And then the same with the red jumper there. So I'm kind of really behind, but I'm going to probably sew the Interstellar hoodie this weekend, because Rachel of Stitched Up is having a sew along for the Page hoodie, which is a sort of a collaboration that's going on right now on Instagram between the Page hoodie and the Hudson. And she kind of just, I don't know if it's on a whim or whatever, but she's doing a sew along on Sunday, and I don't have the Page hoodie, but I thought since I already have the Interstellar cut out, I would jump on and watch her video and then get motivated to finish my hoodie. Maybe I'll finish my hoodie before, because all I have to do tomorrow is record these videos and take photos and then come back home. I've already did some cooking for tomorrow and Sunday, so that's already covered. So that's a project that I have to do. And then I did think about using the blue fabric. Hold on. This blue fabric for that Jenniferl Auren handmade top. So I might cut that out because that isn't too intense of a project, and it's on my January sew plans. So that's basically it, guys. I really wanted to come in here and share with you what has been going on and how I survived the week. For those of you that were concerned, I'm so glad to have you guys around me to motivate me, and just know that you thought of me when I was not well, and I appreciate that so much. So there you have it. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love for you to consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, and share this with your friends and a family that may be interested in sewing and all that I do over here. Again, thank you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in another upload. Bye-bye.
Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding